My name is Ria Rajesh, and I'm an automation technical specialist here at IBM. And today we're going to be talking about Maximo Visual Inspection. To start off, let's talk about the Orlando Aerospace incident. There was a fire cited by OSHA in December 2024 where multiple employees were injured. Through the investigation, it was revealed that workers were not equipped with essential protective gear. As a result, OSHA proposed over $262,000 in penalties. Why it matters is how MVI could have helped in this situation. So what is MBI? It's an AI-powered computer vision tool that helps with automating detection, classification, and analysis of images and videos to enable rapid, reliable visual inspections. How it works is by capturing, training, and detecting images and recognizing objects to help trigger alerts. For this demo today, we're going to be using a safety gear use case where we're going to ensure workers are fully geared before entering hazardous zones. Here are examples of different personas with core issues and how Maximo can help. For example, in this use case, a safety officer could have multiple core issues, such as missing conditions in checks and having a slow response to visual hazards. But Maximo can come into play by helping detect safety violations through AI in real time and helping enable automated monitoring while also reducing dependency on manual checks. Along with this comes multiple different roles such as manufacturing manager, quality control engineer, maintenance technician, where Maximo can help play into all of these core issues. Now let's go into the demo. This is the home screen of our MVI. We're going to go into our data set, and here under our safety gear data set, we can see the different images and media that we have. All of these are images of safety vests, gloves, hard hats, anything that's safety related, just so that the model knows what we're dealing with. And in this, we have about 32 files. Now we can start labeling our data. So we're going to click on an image, and we're going to start labeling our objects. As you can see, we have different parameters such as gloves present, gloves missing, hard hat present, hard hat missing, and this helps label our data so we know what the model can and cannot detect. Next, we need to augment our data so that our model understands the images even if they're in a different orientation, different color, cropped, sharpened, anything of that sort. So when we augment our data, we're going to see that our files are going to increase. So now there's about 1,216 files of these images in different variations and orientations so that the model can still recognize these images. And when we go inside our model and see their full capabilities, you can kind of see how it's running and what the accuracy rate for determining what is in each picture. So we can test this out by going and picking one of our images and testing to see if the model is able to recognize what type of safety gear is present. So we put into the model, and as you can see, it has about a 90% detection rate of gloves missing, 99% of reflective vest missing, and a 99% of a hard hat present. And that is how easy MBI is to use to help detect objects tailored to your specific business to help prevent manual inspections. Thank you for watching, and I hope you choose to use MBI.